Developing a financial plan that fits your unique goals requires careful consideration of your financial situation, your short-term and long-term goals, and your risk tolerance. Here are some steps you can take to develop a financial plan that fits your needs. Determine your financial goals. Start by defining your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt. Prioritize these goals based on their importance to you. Assess your current financial situation. Take a detailed look at your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This will help you determine how much money you have available to invest and save. Create a budget. Based on your income and expenses, create a budget that allows you to save money each month towards your financial goals. Identify your risk tolerance. Determine how much risk you are willing to take with your investments. This will help you choose the right mix of investments that balances risk and return. Choose the right investment vehicles. Based on your goals and risk tolerance, choose the right investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, commodities, etc. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial plan and monitor your progress toward your goals. Make adjustments as needed to ensure you stay on track. Seek professional advice. Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you develop a personalized financial plan that fits your unique goals and needs. Remember that developing a financial plan takes time and effort. By following these steps and staying committed to your plan, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy greater financial security and peace of mind. For financial planning, you can contact us. This is not investment advice. For investment advice, you can contact your investment advisor.